Cha-cha! iPhone! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ahong ni Baste. Cheers!
I'm Mondoy's brother.
Merry Christmas!
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's our Christmas episode, and it's Christmas Eve. Kakagaling ko lang magsimba. Antok ako. Energy level ko mga nasa close to zero. Kasi aga kong nagising kanina and nag-workout ako. Heavy workout kasi alam ko daming kain this weekend. So today, prep lang muna ako. It's 5:30. Gusto ni Baste, doon tayo kina Baste. So thank you Baste. Baste and Trisha for hosting. Doon tayo mag-host. Doon tayo mag-Christmas party sa kanila. And wala akong ambag. Games lang. Sige lang. Dala tayo ng prizes. Prizes pala. Yung dala natin. So pakita ko sa inyo. Bago tayo mag-prep, gusto ko muna mag-nap. On ko na yung ilaw. Ito yung ambag natin. So, yung first prize, sorry sa dumi. Meron pa akong mga dito. May sports package. Tachang! Ito yung laman. Gatorade. Salon pass. And some socks. And vapor rub. Tapos, over here, below, we got self-care package. Mga bath bombs, scented candles, and pimple patches. Tapos Netflix and chill. Netflix and chill package. So you got popcorn here and 3 pieces of condom for fun, and then a pair of socks. And ito, trip to Europe. So dito, Swiss Miss hot chocolate, Danish butter cookies, and then English tea. I know. England is not part of Europe, but oh well, it used to be. And a brand new Apple. Guess what? Not kidding, guys. Cha-cha! iPhone. Secret. But yeah. So this is the grand prize for the big game, which is Hep Hep Hooray! And then my white elephant. I-tape ko muna to lahat. Kasi para hindi nila malaman kung ano yung loob. So, yeah. Yun yung price. Muna ako magbibihis. Or try to nap. Siguro mga 15-10 minutes. Sobrang down ko na. And see you guys mamaya. Ciao! Hello guys! So, I'm ready na. Time for fit check, as always. Surprise. Look, it's a onesie! Hindi pa ako nagsapatos. But yeah, favorite ko to suotin pag Christmas. Yun yung design. Look, ito yung design. Christmas. Snowflakes. Yun. Excited na ako. Cha. So, kita-kits. Update ko kayo. Hi guys! Oh, thank you! Hi guys! Ito na tayo kina Baste. Thank you Baste and Trisha for hosting. Merry Christmas!
Hello, vlog.
Hello! Hi!
Bakit wala pa para po lang Google?
What's up? Errands pa? Ano tayo? Food reveal? Ano to dito, MC? Guess natin, guess. Salmon. Oh, spaghetti. Ito.
Nanonood na lang ng Spurs game. Pwede tanggalin daw yung ham.
Tanggalin yung ham dito?
Naman daw kailangan itak. Ayun saan mo?
Salmon. Hamonada. Ito, rice siguro dyan. Ito, baked tahong by sopas. Wow! Tas plates, leche flan. Ano to? Pansit to? Kanin. Wow! Blueberry blueberry something. Kasi ito sa mga bata. Ayan. Ready na tayo guys. Gutom na? Gutom. Cutie. Hi, Nova. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Request ko ba yan?
Pinagpuyatak ko yung kagabi.
Ako din eh, yung spaghetti ko yung hanggang 2 a.m.
Ano oras kayo simula buwan?
Mga 11.
Kasi wala nang time magluto ngayon.
Wala.
1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Wala na, uwi na tayo. May picture na. MC, kamusta MC?
Okay lang.
Cheers, cheers. Cheers.
Wala naman beer.
Wala. Kain muna ako, gutom na. Ito si Biwi. Siya yung first. Wow! Sushi bake ni Justin!
Hindi okay yan.
Kanin?
Gumawa niyan.
Jen! Thank you! Sushi bake ni Jen.
Hindi, ano siya, California crab dip.
California crab dip.
We
It's a
stay in our lane.
it's a-
We leave that to Justin.
it's a mouthful.
Lahat ng bake sa akin.
Sarap. Thank you, Pio. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you, Baste. Sopas. Di ko to na-try last time. Ano ba yung sopas?
Uwi ko na lahat.
Ano ba siya sa ano in English?
I don't know.
Di ba to chicken soup? Yung parang ganun? Chicken noodle. Okay. Lagay nyo lang sa comments below guys kung alam nyo. Sige, kuha na tayo ng food. Okay. Kaya tayo. Guys, may first plate na tayo. We got sopas, spaghetti, courtesy of Justin, thank you. And then crab dip. And then baked na home. Let's go. Gagi. Sopas.
Parang mas enjoy yung matatanda kaysa sa...
Yung sopas, parang fried chicken. Parang fried chicken ng Jollibee, no? May aftertaste na Jollibee. Yung sopas. Sarap. Gusto ko yung sopas. Ito. Natin spaghetti ni Justin. Ilang hours mo to ginawa, Justin?
Isa't ka lahat.
Hey, thank you. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Sarap. Pwede na. Tahong ni Baste. Cheers.
Let's flan. Gagawa ni ano?
Salmon. Cheers. Kaya natin yung crab dip. Next.
Kasi kaya may Instagram niya para sa mga ano.
Yung iba, walang page.
Ano secret recipe?
Ano ko doon? Iba.
Made by Jen. Cheers. Creamy masyado.
Alam.
This one's good. It's creamy.
Di ba ang sarap?
It's creamy. Guys, luto si Piwi na ano. Magluluto siya ng hot chocolate. He's making hot chocolate. Ito yung base niya. Whole milk. Tapos, dessert na tayo. Ano to? Blueberry? Ano to? Blueberry? What blueberry? Blueberry bread. Blueberry bread. Blueberry bread, and then leche flan, care of Tony, and then fruit salad. Fruit salad na parang sopas. Masarap. Thank you.
Ang pasyente.
Ito na guys.
Ganyan sila palagi ako.
Abelita.
Lalo na ngayon, kaya ano, nung isang araw, medyo narito ako. Ano, you want some hot chocolate? Sabi ko, is it Abuelitas? Sabi niya, of course.
So ito guys, Abelita, para siyang sikwate. Ano ba sa Tagalog ang sikwate? Ano sa Tagalog ang sikwate dito?
Ano si
Tableya.
Tableya.
Oh, tableya. Para siyang tableya sa ano, sa Tagalog.
Kala mo common lang yun.
Tableya. Tapos ilagay ni Piwi dito. Siya.
Ano tayo?
Lugay mo.
Muna ba ito na?
Kay kay Ian. Oh, tas si Flip, no?
Pwede yung flip.
So, ikaw na may gamito na yung pang
Oh! Ay! Ulo! Labas tayo, guys.
gawa ni Justin yan.
Yan? Ah,
Ayan, yun. Actually, lahat to. Hindi naman, may share naman dyan yung iba. Tumingin-tingin.
Kaya pa naman yung igot eh.
pasigop eh, pasigop.
Mali.
Pahigop yung ano.
Mali.
Guys, gawa ni Justin, guys. Si ano Justin, handyman.
Malaki na sila, kaya na.
Pahina.
Ba't mo binibidyo ay?
Alam sila, ano?
Without my consent.
Alam sila, ano?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Mars.
Ah!
Pakiramdam ko, sabi ko, hindi. Sige. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005.
Ah! Kuha yun?
Yung mga, ano to?
Hi.
Yung mga
What are your cheers?
Ano yung warfarin therapy?
What are your messages to our 44 subscribers?
Yun ang malakas.
Hi. Merry Christmas.
Tell us a
Happy
Filipino word.
Hanukkah.
Filipino word. Oh, no. That's Filipino too?
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay.
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo alam. Okay, goods na yun.
I was gonna say an inappropriate one.
Okay, say it. No, don't. I'll get demonetized. Char, demon. Joke la, joke. So guys, mag-white elephant kami. Oh, hold your own gifts. Oy, si Da, can you thank you?
Individual.
Ang locker.
Oy, get your own gifts.
Baka sabihin lang, favorite mo ako. May free iba eh. Kung magaling kayo, kukunin yung kay Jen.
Asan yung kay Jen? Yun? Kutsilyo yan, oh.
Minimum 500.
Look at her gift. It's so big.
No.
Dang.
Hold your own gift.
Mahawak naman iyan, baka mo.
Ay, gumagawa pa sila ng gatas.
Dalawa yung sa'yo, da?
May handle sa gilid. May handle sa gilid. Alam mo na, gown.
Hindi.
Ending gown.
Hindi, alam ko. I know. Yung lechonan.
Ito, malaking picture frame. Picture
Alam mo
frame.
yung ano? Alam mo yung sa nursing home? Yung orasan? Yung bakal na.
Kay Piwi, tantaran.
Ano to?
Don't drop that tantaran. Ah!
What is it?
Tantaran.
Chopping board?
Chopping board.
Ano mo lang?
Ha?
Wala mo yung kay Jen.
Knife.
Wait.
Guys, comment down below, guys.
Is it a trash?
Guess what? What's gift ni Tony?
Couch?
Mm. Is it a gift card to 5 Google shares?
Let's play.
So, ano kay Da, backpack.
Ako may have two. Oh, pillow.
Pillow. Blanket.
King size bed.
Folded. King size. Good night. Hello.
Again, I'll repeat the rules. Player sits in a circle. Each player is assigned to a gift. So let's assign ourselves into our own gifts, okay? So, everyone passes their gifts to the right.
Mm.
2, everyone passes their gifts to the left. 3 is unwrap your gift. If already unwrapped, you may swap it for another unwrapped gift. Tapos 4 is unwrap your gift. If already unwrapped, choose someone else to unwrap their gift. So instead of, if you don't wanna swap, you're gonna choose someone to unwrap their gift. Okay, 5 means swap your gift with the person on your left or right. And 6, you may swap your gift for any other gifts.
Damn, 6 a powerful one, huh? 6.
Key to success.
Key to success, 6.
So, are you comfortable with all your gifts?
Yeah.
Sun?
4.
4? What is 4?
Yeah.
You're out.
Unwrap your gift. If already unwrapped, choose someone else and unwrap it.
Ah, si Justin. Justin! Ah!
Magkagadget eh.
Yung plato! Yung, yung plato sa ano?
It's almost $50.
Nakita ko na sa bahay mo eh.
That's the plate set from Costco.
Hindi.
Plate set from Costco.
Okay.
Suspense?
It's a electronic wine set.
Wow! With batteries! Oh.
Electric grinder set.
Wow!
Bago.
Bago, there's plastic eh.
Ah, wag na.
Only $45.
Hey, including the gift wrapper.
Ah.
In-unwrap ko lang.
Ginamit niya muna. Kasi nagluto ng spaghetti.
One! Okay, everyone.
To the left.
Everyone pass your gift to the right.
Right.
Okay!
To the right. Oy, tigil na tayo. Tigil na. Ang bigat nito, oh.
Guys, Nova's crying! Jen, let's go! Nova's crying!
Okay, roll the dice.
Ano pa?
Four. Unwrap your
Anong hula mo?
tantaran.
Chopping board.
Chopping board. Black wooden. Black walnut. Ah! Gusto ko rin yan, actually. Maganda yan pang steak. Maganda. Walnut. Nice. Guessed it right. Tony na, Tony.
Ano ba yung...
Oh, may pectus.
3. What's 3?
Pass to the right.
Unwrap your gift. If already unwrapped, you may swap it for another unwrap.
Wala na.
Drum roll! Drum roll! Drum roll! Drum roll!
Unwrap. So you have
Yeah, done wrap. Ah, drum roll! Drum roll!
Talaga? Isang malaking box.
Parang isa.
Makikita.
Ah, walang makikita.
Wala kayong makikita, oh.
Ah, gift. Gift. Ay! Oy! Amazon! Amazon!
Ganda ko!
Skanda ko. Ano?
Kailangan mabuksan?
Ano sa harap? Ano sa code? Ano MC? Nakalagay?
It's a GCI rocker chair.
Oh! Hindi, wala akong naintindihan.
What's that?
Wala akong naintindihan.
Chair na rocker.
Ah!
Yung may rocker.
Home modification.
Ah!
You know, even numbers natagong any 3. Maganda yan.
Gusto ko yung tantaran. Pang steak. 4.
Is Grok in there?
It's Grok.
It's Grok.
Oh, multiple gifts.
Multiple gifts.
Cellophane.
Plunger.
No.
Paddle?
Binoculars.
Clip electric
Kala ko binoculars. What's that?
clip fan.
It's a fan.
These are 2 fans.
Ah,
So you can
modular.
Clip one. Clip one there, clip one here.
Ah.
Then,
Are we gonna...
massage balls. Yung mga foam roller, massage ball.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vitamins.
Wow.
Bakit ako?
Dapat sexist ka, bakit for men lang? Dapat...
Mas marami lalaki. And then,
Wow.
So do we agree to splash right? Ganun?
Jen, you're all the time.
3 ulit, Jen.
So what's 3?
Rap.
Unwrap your gift.
So what did you guess?
Knife.
Knife.
Unwrap
Knife set. A
A
knife set?
Japanese knife.
I know.
Oh, I love it.
Guys, tuwatutu.
Damascus.
That's what I want.
Steel.
Nice.
Give it to me.
6.
Oh, that's it.
You can get whatever
You
you
may
want.
swap your gift to any other gift.
Or beef thickness.
Tadaran. Thank you.
Finish.
Thank
For
you.
your steaks.
I know.
Very light. Very cheap. I doubt it's $50. 25 bucks.
Hoy, $50 yan. Actually, 100. 100 yan.
Waffle cone.
Actually, $100 yan, Pio. Stick-o.
Barbecue.
6! Oy!
Swap. I'll give it to them.
Wow, this is heavy. This is heavy.
No.
Left, left. Right, left. Ano to? Spoon. Pio, Damascus fork and spoon.
I'll keep going, ah.
6. Oh!
I'll swap my gift. I'll take the chair.
Wow.
Chair ba talaga yan?
Chair mo talaga yan?
Ano naman natin chair yan?
Buksan mo.
Rig to, rig. Tingnan nyo yung dice. Oh no, pressure.
You'll reimburse.
1. Ah, shit!
What's one?
Tayo lahat.
Give it back. Give it back.
That's your gift to the right.
Give it back. Let's go.
That's your gift.
Ito na, lumalapit na.
Swap.
Masaya ako dito.
Ayun yung ano.
Si Justin.
I like that one.
No.
Stop it.
Wala.
Oh!
Two.
To the left.
To the left. To the left. Si Baste.
Anita, need to get rid of this. Cotton candy.
Actually, nice ang laman yan. Oh! Oh! Stop, chair.
Do we need another chair?
I want to see the chair.
Can you open it? I want to see it.
Hi.
Guys,
If it's unwrapped,
Warning.
you may swap it for another unwrapped gift. So unswap.
Unwrap.
Pili ka na unwrap gift.
Yeah,
Put it on the side. I'll grab it later.
Ooh. It's either Diane's or Baste's gift.
Or good pa.
Or Trisha. You want
Or in the stores too.
huh? Yeah.
or Nestor's.
Cotton candy.
Hoy!
That's the only thing you can swap. Any unwrapped gift.
It's a Costco hot dog.
Sketchy.
They don't executive ano.
Nvidia. 10 shares.
Sige na nga. Yeah. I'll get his gift.
Yeah!
Nice. They gotta open it.
Condom yun.
Are you gonna open
open it,
it?
right?
Does he have to open it? No. Wow! Humidifier.
This.
Wow.
Oy, wait, Boogaloo.
Wow, smart humidifier. Wow.
Trisha's gift. Okay, who's rolling?
Eh, Justin to? Sa'yo to, Justin?
No, kay Dale.
Nice one, Dale.
Let's see it.
Damascus fork and knife.
No, it's just
It's iPhone.
no, it's just nothing.
Thank you for the iPhone.
iPhone!
It's
Okay. Okay.
It's a prototype.
Pro Max?
Dubai chocolate.
Wow!
$3.
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Lynn, Dubai chocolate.
yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, how many unwrapped gifts we still have?
Knife or the humidity?
The humidifier.
I think I'll take the knife. I have a humidifier.
Ah!
Fuck you.
cotton candy.
He says $100.
Let's see.
It's all paper.
Paper worth.
Walang naman.
iPhone 17.
Earbuds.
Putting in.
Sleeping?
JBL.
Sa ano? Target mo lang yung nabili.
X-Deals.
X deals.
Nice.
Ano, earbuds ba sa?
You roll the dice. You still have the dice.
Ano yung pass to the left? Ano yan? Alabas siya natin naman. 2.
Ano yung 5?
Unwrap your gift. If already unwrapped, you may swap.
So lahat na unwrap.
Eto na, unwrap na.
Last one.
Oh, I like this color. It's nice.
Oh!
It's a quilt. Quilt ba to?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, in a memory foam pillow.
Wow! King size.
I like it.
When you said it, I'm like, shit, she knew it.
Yay!
Para kay PB4 daw, 4!
Happy kayo? Happy kayo sa gift nyo? Happy kayo? You guys are happy? Are you guys happy?
Kasi parang gusto niya rin yun.
Say hi! Woo! Yo, just guys, I have a new steak board. Look. Yeah.
Sobrang talim na.
Patingin, Justin. Sample na, oh. Sample.
Huli na.
Sample sa leeg.
Masasarapan din.
Balik ka na.
Pero, even if there's the... Kailangan ba we have to finish?
We have to finish.
Swallow it and then get...
Yeah.
You gotta show everybody.
Right.
Okay. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Nakasa natin itong ano. Oh!
Bilis mo na. Swallow, swallow. Swallow.
Ang hirap.
Ayoko na kayo.
Is this fair? I got a short one.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, I'm done.
Ooh, acid.
Open your mouth.
Oh my god.
Woo! Alright, get one. Except for the white one. Except for the white one.
Yeah, I won.
Dale, did you practice?
Done.
I think I'm gonna in the Korean variety show. That's
Ah!
Your one.
Ay!
And now you're gonna draw a snowman on the top of your head on the plate without looking. And I'm gonna choose my favorite of each one from each team, and then you'll see part 2.
Snowman?
You draw a snowman.
You already know who wins, guys.
Oh, like this? Like this?
Yeah.
No.
So draw a snowman.
This part. The back part.
Are we gonna go do it now or ready, set, oh now?
Ready, set, go. Draw a snowman. The best snowman you ever drew.
Done.
Done.
Who's now?
Everyone done?
Yeah, done.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my God!
It's the best!
My mom says it's the best!
May cheating!
Oy! Cheating! Cheating!
Guys,
Ano ka lang? Agad kita!
Cheating!
I'm proud of that. I'm proud of that.
Okay, everyone from team 1 put theirs out. Everyone from team 2 put theirs in.
Out, team 1 out, team 1 out.
I'm really proud of mine. I didn't imagine my man.
I'm two.
You're two!
Cheating!
Ugly.
I didn't imagine I would draw mine.
That's mine, that's
Now
mine.
You, Nestor, sorry. Nestor, you win from team 1.
Oy!
Oh.
Oh, close enough.
You close your eyes, man.
I won.
Oh, that one is a two. What's that one?
Supposed to be a snowman.
That one was kind of hidden.
Cheating, guys.
Me! Texas snowman! It's very
This one.
Kiwi, up,
High. Okay. Tony, you win.
Nah.
This one?
Yeah?
Yep.
I won?
Yes. Oh! This is the worst one.
We don't look at the plate. Okay?
We don't look the plate, right? We just look at each other.
Look at the plate.
Each other.
Oh, we got.
Yeah, you can look at your plate.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
No.
Okay, so no looking at the
Sige.
No, look at each other.
Look at each other's eyes.
It's called something when you don't look.
Look at each other's eyes.
Game na?
Game na?
Is it game?
Game.
Go. No looking at the drawing.
Look at Nova's, the Tony's nose. Seryoso?
Hindi nakatingin habang nagdo-draw.
Tapos na?
How long?
All good, all good, all good.
Everyone done?
Okay.
Put them on the ground.
Oh my God.
I want to say this is actually this is hard.
It is hard.
Like, who's the girl?
There's no girl.
They're both boys.
There's no girl.
That's the thing.
Who's the boy? Okay, this one is Tony's of Nestor.
Who made that? Who made that? Who made that?
Of the store?
Yeah.
No, that's Oh, that's my drawing?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you said Tony's of
No, I
Nestor.
thought that was Tony's drawing of
No,
Nestor.
no,
Oh, yeah.
And I thought
Look at the eyelashes. That's Nestor.
that's funny.
I'm good. In my mind, I thought like I drew Tony like one by one. One is cool.
I can't even see the face.
Sabi ni Pio, it's worth 90.
May Black Friday sale.
Yay! Cucumber! Thank you!
Fountain yung gano'n.
Cucumber! Ay, pla.
Bawang. Fountain.
Fountain. Cinderella. Boom! I won! Next game, guys, I know. Unwrapping the present. With oven mittens.
Steady hand.
Yun.
Ilang-ilang pa yan.
You have to roll the dice double so it'll skip to the next person. Oh! Hala! Ian! Unsa man na Ian? What the hell? Ian!
Open it for us.
Iyan, you can go to Vegas.
Grabe, Ian! Hey! Ay! Oh, roll na. Nandun sa likod.
Lima.
MC!
Ang hirap ng pangatlo.
Ay! Ang bilis si Tony!
Tony, grabe ka, parang ang bear.
Hala! Go!
Wala na, stop. Meron pa.
There's still something.
You didn't get it eh.
Paano yan?
Kasi
Paano yan? Hindi!
you celebrate early.
Right, so the object of the game is for the cube to go all the way to that wall, and you just gotta use your hips. You can't use your hands. So part of it is tying it and making sure that it has the right height. And let's say you reach all the way to the end, as long as it touches, you grab it, lay it down, and then you give this to your partner.
Oh, there.
Yes.
There, it's a long game.
And you can't hold it. Okay, remember, you gotta tie it correctly. Make sure it's the right height. And then you just gotta use your hips.
Can we hold?
No, you can't hold a.
Can
You
you
can't.
hold our hand?
Nope.
Can you be
It's-
helped by your teammates?
Yeah, you can. Oh, yeah. It's all hips. You ready?
Oh, right.
1, 2, 3, go! Miss,
Justin!
Justin, your cucumbers all over the place.
Oy! Oy!
Go, Justin.
Oy!
No.
Oy!
Hirap!
Oy! Oh! Let's go! Ireland daw, Ireland daw. Oh.
One.
Mga cucumber daw. One for Ireland. Let's go! Ay!
You don't have any hip coordination.
Si Boy ano talaga?
Good.
You got it, Justin.
Who's the second one?
Ano pa? Babae ka talaga.
Go! Go! You know how to do it, ha?
Prepare ka na.
Hindi. Hindi, ikaw. Oh, ako na.
Who's better with the cucumber? Who's better with the cucumber?
Lower.
Tony, use
Lower.
your knees.
Lower. Yes. Lower. Come
Tony,
on.
follow through.
Hindi, alam niyo si Tony nag-lipstick pa kasi.
Tony, lower with the cucumber.
Let's go! Let's go!
Lower. Yes.
That's the cucumber.
Last one.
Wala, hindi.
He has to touch.
Yes!
Ah!
Let's go!
Sit down.
Ah, go. Ayan o.
Use your hips.
Oh.
Go back a little bit.
Si Boy ano yan?
Up now.
Si Boy ano yan?
Ganyan na po si Halo eh.
Ay! Leading!
MC, look at that staggered stance.
Oo nga. May stance pala, may stance. Forward, backward pa lang.
There's a stance to it. Look at the stance.
Wala na. Oy, umikot yun.
Go Dave. Come on.
Go, Dave.
Let's go! We got this!
Target.
Ay!
Who's next?
That's your go. That's my daughter.
Yoy!
That's my daughter's stalling.
Let's go! Let's go! No, you got this!
Who's next? No, it's one.
Do the lunge.
There you
Do
go,
the
Dad.
lunge.
Okay, I'm next then.
Come on, Marcus, get this!
The lunge.
Just use your hips. Just use your hips.
Let's go!
I thought I could hold it.
No, you can't. No, you can't.
Lower.
Casinova, where is my block?
Nice one!
Are you the last one, Jen?
No.
Oh!
Go, Ian!
I don't know how to tie.
Wait.
Hawakan nyo lang sa harap. Hindi nyo na kailangan itay. Hawakan nyo lang sa harap. Yan. Uy! Oh.
Ay, ikaw na?
Blackout daw, blackout. Go!
Iyan no?
Surgical,
Practice oh.
Ian, ha?
George Star, no?
Uy!
Baka ganun.
Uy!
You might get hit with a cucumber. No? You're not used to that.
Go, Ian!
Iyan o, blocking Iyan o!
I know.
Blocking! Ay, umikot pa! Umikot!
It's a technique.
Oh, in the dark. The string's in the way.
Oy!
Challenge.
Hotdog to hotdog.
Timer.
Sa oras?
So who's the last one? Is Ian our last?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hoy, negative, nag-negative. Hoy, hoy. Nagkakabanggaan mo ang mga kukumber.
Mas parahan!
Iyan ah.
Champion team 1, champion team 1.
Team 2
I
pala.
don't know how you're gonna share, but team 2!
Yay! Panalo na naman si Jen!
It's for sharing.
Yeah.
Dubai
Chocolates! Pakita.
Diabetes?
Diabetes!
Ano to? Pepper-ray?
Videographer ka na ha? Dati PT.
Magugulat ka na lang, naging YouTuber na.
Tama na ba to? Tama na tong space na to?
Hi,
Hello.
Hi, Miguel.
Hello, welcome.
Ay, lugi ako. Malapit ako kayo.
Sobrang lapit eh. Dapat may space pa, no? Okay, alright. So this is the microphone. Whoever I put the microphone to will say either hep hep or hooray. But it's always hep hep first, and then second is hooray. Okay? Alright. So let me do a run through. Okay, dapat ano ha? Okay. Guys, we're very strict kasi I know you guys are very smart. So I don't take that. Hep hep. So down to 4. Hooray. I can take hooray, but I can't take hooray. Hooray. I can't take hooray, ha? Okay, run through.
You get the hep from here. Hep, and then you get the hep from here. Okay?
Okay, run through.
Hep, hooray. That's not right. You get it from here.
Alright.
Hooray!
Alright.
Hep, hep.
Alright. Alright. Guys, good? You guys,
This is not. It should be.
Okay lang ganito.
With a jump. Hooray.
Alright. So you guys want warm up or game na? Warm up na? Game.
We're professionals.
Game.
Hooray!
Hep hep! Ayan!
Alright. Adjust accordingly. Alright, Ian out. Hep.
Hooray!
Hep hep!
Right.
Hooray!
Hooray! Hep.
Ah, okay. Start now. Oh.
Hooray!
Right.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay. Game.
Hep hep!
Hooray!
Hep hep!
Right.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Ano na siya lumang default eh?
Ano, tanggapin natin yan?
I told you.
Bolo!
Wait, can they do us more of a circle?
More circle. Hey, I'm gonna put this down. So we'll have more space.
And then you're in the middle.
Nagala water break.
Water break.
Time out.
Water break, guys. Water break. Intermission na, tapos na. Ready na kayo? Practice or good na?
Good, 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 good.
Hooray!
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 Hep hep. Hooray.
Hooray!
Hooray! Hep hep!
Natawa siya eh. Aminado siya. Good, Zach, good, good.
Good, 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 good.
Let's go, let's go.
Hey, hip hip!
Hooray!
Hep hep!
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Right. Let's go. Last six, last six.
Hip hip.
Right. Right.
Hooray.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Right.
Hip hip.
Copying. Right. Right. Last mo mo. Ganda, ganda, ganda.
Malang niya nagawa.
Hip hip! Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray!
Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Mali. Mali yun.
Pinapayagan eh. Pinapayagan eh, no? Pinapayagan eh. May lag ba?
Hindi mo makialam sir ha.
Last four. Last four.
Nagmamadali kayo eh.
Last four, last four ito. Last four. Last four, last four. Hindi mo madali.
Nice!
Hep hep!
Pakitalo yung kopal. Kanina yung swerte.
Last four, last four.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hep hep!
Hooray!
Hep hep! Ginusto ka ba nila?
Three lang, three lang.
Ay, sure ball na may prize.
Sir Boy na may prize.
Hooray!
Hooray.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Tanggap, tanggap. Ay, 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 ay.
I like it, I like it.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Hooray. 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 Hip hip. Hooray. Hooray. Hooray.
Hip hip!
Hooray.
They're too good, they're too good.
They're too good, they're too good. Pause, pause. Ah, yeah.
Guys, it's gonna be opposite, okay?
Hooray?
What?
Hooray!
Hooray?
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Oh, okay, to make it better, you then switch. Switch.
Oh.
And Trisha switch. Switch.
You switch me.
You point the mic. You switch. You switch. You. I play. Again. Ano ba yun? You play. Hep hep.
Okay.
Hooray.
Okay.
Hep hep.
Hip hip!
Hooray. You wanna practice? You wanna practice
Yeah.
first?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hooray.
No,
No,
no. Hep hep first.
Oh,
Hep hep first.
Oh, that's the first.
Okay.
Okay.
Hep hep always first. Okay.
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 Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hep hep.
Right.
Oh my god.
Hooray.
Okay. Do you get it? Hep
No.
hep. Hooray.
Okay.
Hep hep.
Oh
Hooray.
God.
Go!
Hooray. Final.
Go!
Final.
Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hooray!
You get it, Jay? You get it?
This
Alright, you practice, right?
I think so. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hep hep.
Hooray!
Alright, pick one, guys. Pick one of the two. Pick one of the two.
Three, ano eh, three. Third winner. Third winner.
Third big placer.
Third big blazer. Self-care.
A trip to Europe!
Trip to Europe.
One-way ticket.
So Jen was a finalist too in another year.
Oh yeah, you were.
Yeah.
Expired ticket.
All right. Hep hep hep.
Hep hep.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hep
Hep
hep.
hep.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hep hep.
Hooray.
Hep hep.
Hooray. Hep hep.
Hooray.
Hep hep. Hooray.
Hep hep.
Hooray.
Hep hep.
Swerte!
Good job, man. Good job.
Open it. Open it. Open it.
Ang swerte ng mga biyayers, ha?
Reasonable. Pumpkin.
Good job.
Wow, pumpkin.
Open it. Open it. Open it.
Is it a phone?
It's not a true phone.
It's a phone case. It's
I believe it's a phone.
Oh, so. It's a phone.
Guys, we have iPhone 18.
18. No, that's a fake one.
A gift card.
Oh, we don't have that. The iPhone.
Give me the case. I need it.
Take it. Thank you.
Next year ulit. Next year ulit. Next year ulit. Congrats. Congrats.
Good games, buddy. Good job. I like your games, man.
Next year ulit. Next year.
Next time is the Game Master.
Game Master. Good job, Game Master.
Self-care. Bath bomb, candles, socks.
Pimple patches.
That's trip to Europe.
Trip to Europe.
We have hot chocolate, some cookies, and some tea, and some. Oh, the Graham cookies. Yep, butter cookies.
Turn it into a sewing kit.
Good practice.
The overall winner for tonight.
Honest family.
Guys, Gino, who didn't get any prizes? Here, there's socks. There's socks.
Consolation prize.
What do we do? Socks.
Ay, di ako lang. Wala.
Here.
Meron pa.
It's
Meron pa. Socks.
we're gonna wear this for pickleball.
Oh, I got
You
mine.
have extra socks? You have more socks? Can I have the smiley one? Just the smiley one. Just for four of us.
I got it.
Let's show.
Thank you, Nestor.
We have extras. Doesn't have a sock.
Yeah, MC. Tony.
I got coffee.
Tony, you have socks?
I got one.
And guys, nakauwi na tayo. It was quite a night. Nag-enjoy ako. Thank you again, Trisha and Baste, for hosting. And thank you ulit kina Piwi at sa lahat ng mga nag-organize. Kina Tony. Saya nung game ni Tony, ang laki ng pera. Hindi ko lang na video kasi sobrang thrilling. So anyways, so sa next segment na naman ng video natin, part 2. We're heading to Houston. We're gonna spend Christmas Day with family. Alright, see you guys. Update ko kayo. Good morning, guys. Yan, nakaano na tayo. Kabihis. Pupunta tayo ng Houston ngayon. Di ba sabi ko, we'll join her, my dad, sa Houston. At saka tita. Doon kami sa tita ko. Yung outfit check today. So, casual jacket, leather jacket. Tapos, jeans, and then sneakers. Yan lang, simple lahat atake natin. So, medyo mahaba-habang drive, mga 2 hours. So, update ko kayo. Medyo late ako nagising. Mga late tayo dati, mga 12:30 siguro. So, yun. Kita-kits dun. Yan guys, dumating na tayo after 2 hours of driving. Dito na ako sa bahay ng tita ko. Andyan. Gutom na ako. Kakarating lang ata din nila. Ganda ng weather sa labas. Medyo mainit. Mga 70s. Nasa 70s. Sige, pasok na tayo. Yan guys, dito na kami sa dito na ako sa bahay ng tita ko. Hi, tita!
Hello.
Si Tita Beth, kapatid ng ano ko. Si. Tapos ito yung food.
Okay na lang na Joy pang makita.
Tapos may lechon belly. Squid. Tapos kare-kare. Tapos ano to? Chop suey. And pansit. 2 pansit. Tapos pata tsaka lumpia. Yay! Thank you! First round guys. So, lechon, lumpia, pansit, chop suey, rice. Tapos pinakurat. Let's go! Hi guys.
Wala kong ibot ng quail egg.
Hey, mag-hi ka, di. Hi. Nothing
Hi.
na si daddy.
I'm eating with my hands.
Oh. Gumawa siya na ano. Kinilaw. May pa ano tayo. Sa Tagalog? Paapas. Pahabol. Pahabol na kinilaw. Tapos kasama cake for dessert. Tsaka ginawa ni daddy, kalamay. Ano ba yun sa Tagalog? Ube kalamay. Ito last time. Round 2 tayo, round 2. Look. Hi. Cute kayo. Cha. It's been a while. Cha. Welcome to my vlog. Asa? Yesterday, sa akong friends. Milo, come here.
May restaurant nila dito.
You hungry? You eat? You eat? Huh? Cutie? Next lechon? Cutie? Go.
Cheers. Uy, salamat tita.
Damn.
Salamat tita.
Lucky guy.
What is that? Ouchar.
What do you have in there?
This is gonna be Kwan. This is for.
Thank you, tita.
This is for the mornings.
Thank you. Love you. What do you have? Oh, you got a gift, guys. Oh, Nate, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm Mondoy's brother. Nestor's brother. Charles's brother.
Their date of birth and social security, please. Not just
My last four is.
Mama Mango. Moscato. Sa inuman.
Char, she Starbucks. Nice.
Para Kwan, para sa buntag before the shift.
3 weeks worth of coffee.
Kanang matcha before shift.
I mean, that's easily like just 1 week, dude.
Yeah, Starbucks is expensive now. This is like Kwan. This is like.
That's like 1 week. Easy.
I also get a breakfast sandwich too. If I go to.
It's easy, 1 week. 1 week, yeah.
It's still good. It's better.
Twinsies.
Thank you.
Candle. Thank you. I know it smells good. That's what I got, guys. Twinsies. Guys, todo na yung guys, oh. Bring home. Dami. 2 months worth of food. Tapos dami po yung food na iwan. Dami pa. 2, 3.
Merry Christmas!
Ay, sa wakas, nakauwi na tayo. Home sweet home. 5 hours siguro mga total drive natin today. Nakapagod. But it was fun. It was worth it, definitely. Naisipan ko nga kanina, di ba, na kwento ko sa inyo dati na iba talaga pag Pinoy mag may party. Kasi dala ka na isang putahe or one thing, pero ang balik mo, isang katutak na leftovers. Ito mo. Dami. This is from the last 2 days. Thank you for the gift, Tita Lilibet and Tita Sam and Tita Laila and Dad. Also, Tita Sam, thank you for the golf set. Finally. I'm gonna try learn how to play golf. And improve my swing because I don't know how to swing. Bakikaw, I'm still awkward, very awkward. But yeah, this is one heck of a Christmas week, and it's quite unusual kasi nga medyo mainit nga yung Christmas season namin this year sa Texas. So it's around 80 degrees, 70 degrees. Tapos nag-jacket pa ako. So yeah, again, Tita Lilibet, Tita Sam, thank you for hosting, and it was so great to meet my family over the holidays. And yeah, hopefully you guys nanonood, you had a great loving family that had to enjoy Christmas with, and hopefully it was filled with love and joy. And yeah, hanggang dito na lang muna, and thank you for pakikisama sa akin sa Christmas episode na to. And you guys take care, and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye-bye. Ingat.